guys, welcome back to FaceSlayWithT&A. I am Alicia. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I wanted to do no foundation, make your skin look greasy, oily, shiny, like a machine kind of video. I have super dry skin, as I said before. The Sahara Desert's got nothing on my skin, so this is what I live for. And if you are dry like me and sensitive like me and you need a little summer glow pickup, this video is perfect. I'm going to apologize right now, and I think I did also in my clip. I apologize for my son in the background. If you like these like voice or talk throughs, let me know in the comments below and I can keep doing them, but I usually tend to do with the voiceovers so that you're not hearing all the traffic and stuff that is going on in the back. Or I can also just show you the products that I'm using and do subtitles. If you like that as well, just let me know and I can do more of those for you. He is a little bit of my baby Godzilla. He likes to run around and destroy things, so that is it. Sorry, my nose is itchy. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a huge thumbs up. It helps more than you guys know. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so that you don't miss out on future content. And I think that's about it. We're just gonna jump right into it. I'm going to start off with using the Tacha Luminous Dewy Skin. I'm going to start off with the Spotlight Physicians Formula Primer. I only use this for the high points of my face, like highlighting. I don't put it all over my skin, especially for this makeup look. So I take a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'll just take it and dab it on the high points of my face. Then I am going to spot conceal with the Infallible Pro Glow concealer, and this is in my skin tone. This is in shade 01 Classic Ivory. Just push that into my skin. To set that, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow setting powder. So in this setting powder, it's got, I don't know if you can see, my light's pretty bright. It's got like a shimmery side on one side, which is right here, and then it's got more of a matte side on this side. I don't know if you guys can see that. There, it's a little bit better. So for under my eyes, I do the matte side, and then for the rest of my face, I go in with both of them. So to do my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and you don't have to use this. I do have two other options. I have the Maybelline Brow Define, is it Brow Define? Fill Duo. It's too light for me, so I'm not going to use this one. Or there is the Maybelline Brow Drama, which I don't like the spoolie. I think that the spoolie is way too big, so I'm just going to use this one, but those are other drugstore options for you.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're all like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know. I'm just going to set my brows in place with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And I know that CoverGirl actually has a clear mascara that works just as well. So that is a drugstore option for you. Now for my eyes, I'm going to take the CoverGirl bronzer and just a big fluffy brush that I have, a big white fluffy brush, a black, actually I want to use the black. I'm
gonna use this big fluffy brush and just dip into my bronzer and use that for eyeshadow.
When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer.
So I want to deepen that up just a little bit more, so I'm going to take the Physicians Formula bronzer and dip into that. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, 'cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room. I'm going to liquid highlight, and I'm going to use the Cover FX Enhancer Drops in Sunlight. So pretty. Oh. I am going to bronze up my skin using the Butter Bronzer, and it's Physicians Formula, and the shade is Sunkissed. I think these two shades, just a little bit of this and a couple of dabs of this. If you like false lashes, that is totally your thing, but if you want like a quick on the go, I always love to use two mascaras, and I always start off with the Rimmel Lash Accelerator, and I do a quick coat of that first, and then I will go in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and just it makes them like more longer and separated. Done. I am going to do my highlighter, and I am actually using a drugstore highlighter. And for my lips, I am going to use the Annabelle lip liner in Buff, and this is also drugstore. And then just to top that, I'm going over it with the Revlon Supernatural lip gloss, and this lip gloss is beautiful. It is like the perfect nudie lip gloss, and it's super pigmented. Now I'm going to set my face using the Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. This stuff was $5 and it is really good. It's pretty tiny, but for $5, it's pretty awesome. So this is the makeup look. It does look dewy and sweaty and greasy and wet, but that is the way I like my makeup. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys have a great day, night, lunchtime, wherever you are, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Primer. Hunter, out of your brother's room. Now, please. I know, life's rough. Palette of like 3 or 4 blushes. Let's try that again. Makeup look. It does look pretty sweaty and dewy and machiny. Machiny, is that even a word? Every time you call me, I drop what I do. You are my best friend and we got some shit to shoot.